What you just watched was not made by a video editor. No script, no camera, no edited software. I typed one sentence into a free Google tool, walked away to make a coffee, and came back to a fully narrated and animated explainer video about the biggest AI news story of the week. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how I did it. Clickable AI clip from a completely blank screen. If you can type a sentence, you can do this. Let's go. This is Google NotebookLM, and it's free to use. It's free to start using. Here is the one thing that makes it different from ChatGPT or any other chatbot. Regular chatbots sometimes hallucinate. Apply way of saying they confidently make things up. NotebookLM is what called source grounded. It's only answered based on the document and source you give it. Asks it a question and shows you clickable citation pointing to the exact paragraph where it found the answer. You never left guessing whether the AI is lying. And for anyone worried about privacy, Google says your upload documents are not using to train its public AI model. Your files stay yours. Let me prove how easy this is. I'm starting from zero. Step 1. Go to notebooklm.google.com and click create new notebook. That's it. You now have a blank research project. Step 2. Normally you upload your own files, PDF, Google Docs, links, even YouTube video. But here's the feature most people don't know about: deep research. Instead of finding source myself, I'm going to make Google do the homework for me. I'll try in my research topic, and I'm picking something spicy. Claude Fable 5, the AI model that was powerful. The US government actually put it offline for almost 3 weeks. It just came back online this week, and everyone's talking about it. I'm trying it. Search Claude Fable 5 by Anthropic. What is it? Why the US government restricted it and why it was restored. Explained for non-technical audience. Now, watch this. NotebookLM goes out, browse the web, finds credible source, and build a research report with citations all by itself. This takes a few minutes, so let's speed through it. Done. Look at this. It found news article, official announcement, analyzed piece, and wrote me structured research report. I know more about this story than 99% of people, and I haven't read a single article myself. Quick honest note: on a free plan, deep research is limited to a handful of runs per month, so use them on topic that matters to you. Now, for the magic trick, over here in the studio panel, NotebookLM can turn everything it just researched into different formats. A podcast style audio overview, mind map, flashcards, a slide deck, but today we're clicking on this video overview. And before I click, you can actually direct the video. There is a prompt box where you can type who the audience is and what style you want. I'll tell it make this for complete beginners who follow AI news. Focus on this story matters to ordinary people. Keep it simple and a little bit dramatic. Click generate, and this takes a few minutes, so coffee beginner. Okay, moment of truth. Let's watch what it made. Look, it generated customer illustration from export banner title. Nobody drew this. The nation is explaining export controls in plain English that came directly from the research report we generated earlier.
Steps. On step 1, that massive codebase payload is sent to the model and billed at the full base rate. Without caching, the agent must resend that exact Bench Pro test, but developer logs reveal a very specific stubborn trap. Standard AI models fail through shallow patches. They fix one